Good morning this Thursday the 6th of May. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst at Bell Direct. Well, US equities rebounded on Wednesday following strong earnings results and economic optimism, pushing the blue chip Dow to close the session at a record high. The S&P 500 rose about 0.1%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq fell 4%, as Amazon, Netflix and Facebook all dipped more than 1%. Strong earnings results were achieved by General Motors. Its shares rose over 4% after its earnings blew past expectations. The company expects a strong first half of the year, despite the global semiconductor chip shortage that has caused factory closures. US investors took solace in services data that reconfirmed the strength of the US economic recovery. The ISM Services Index expanded in April, albeit at a slower pace than March. In terms of what to watch locally, the Aussie share market is set to open slightly higher following Wall Street's gain. The futures are suggesting a lift of 0.07% or 5 points. National Australia Bank, NAB, reported its H1 2021 results today. It reported cash earnings of $3.343 billion, which is 35.1% higher compared with H1 2020. This excludes large notable items. This beat Goldman Sachs' expectation of cash earnings of $3.031 billion. That result and NAB's growing confidence in the outlook has allowed the business to lift its 2021 interim dividend to 60 cents per share. NAB is currently trading at a 52-week high at $27.37. Also reporting today is Vehicle Mobility Solutions business, Eclipx Group, ECX. Moving to commodities, the oil price dipped despite declining inventory, while the gold price lifted following a retreat in the US dollar. Iron ore continues to trade at a record high. AGMs today include Genworth Mortgage, GMA, Iress, IRE, and TPG Telecom, TPG. Also keep an eye on the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday. They were ANZ, Afterpay, and Flight Centre, FLT. And to end on some trading ideas for your consideration, one of the world's largest producers of high-quality metallurgical coal, Coronado Global Resources, CRN, had its buy rating reiterated by Bell Potter. CRN has announced its refinancing package to improve its capital structure and reduce its debt levels. The plan includes offering to sell US $350 million worth of senior secured notes, entering a deal for a US $100 million credit facility, and raising at least US $100 million through a non-renounceable entitlement offer. CRN's price target has been lowered to 95 cents, previously $1.27. CRN is highly leveraged to meet coal markets, which Bell Potter and Consensus currently view as unsustainably weak. Bell Potter also maintains its buy rating on women's plus-size clothing company City Chic Collective, CCX, with an increased price target of $4.90, previously $4.60. CCX recently provided a positive trading and operational update with the key highlights including growth prospects for City Chic's US website, CCX's flexible business model, ample funding headroom and its strong management team. To end, South32, S32, Wally, WOR, and Tesoret, TNT, are all showing bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. And that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy trading.